Hey everyone, in this session we will understand abstract class and abstract method in Python. What is an abstract method? Type of methods, those does not have implementation or body, we call them abstract methods. What is abstract class? Abstract class is essentially a prototype which hints towards what its extended classes should do. Basically, using abstract class, developers or designers can impose restriction or rules. Let's understand this first. In an industry project, many developers works together to solve a particular real-time problem. When they will write program in Python, there could be many rules to follow. Now, one way is we will ask all of them in a meeting, give them a set of rules to follow during their Python programming. However, there could be new developer, there could be experienced developers, and that is the reason there is a high probability that few of the developers will miss one or two rules we have defined in this rule book. That is the reason abstract class came into picture. The purpose of abstract class is not to create objects out of these classes. Rather, these classes will give you restrictions such a way that developers has to adhere those rules and restrictions in order to write Python code. We cannot create object of abstract class. Why? Because it's kind of prototype. It is a kind of template based on which we will create other classes and objects using these abstract classes. How to define an abstract class in Python? There is no direct way to write abstract class in Python. You have to import a module called ABC, and from that module you can use capital ABC and abstract method to create abstract class and abstract method respectively. The full form of ABC is abstract base classes. Remember, if we want to create an abstract class, that class has to be inherited from ABC. ABC is nothing but abstract base class. Once Python interpreter scans that shape class has been derived from ABC, ABC is the parent class of shape, it will take shape as abstract class. @abstract method is a decorator by which we are informing Python interpreter that whatever method we will be defining after @abstract method, that particular method will be an abstract method. And remember, abstract method does not have implementation or body. That is the reason if you see here we have used pass. Pass is a keyword to inform Python interpreter that please do not do anything. By this, an abstract class called shape, within shape we have created an abstract method called area, and area method has the signature, but there is no body or implementation of area method. This is a perfect example of abstract class. What we are doing by writing this abstract class, we are imposing a rule that all the child classes of shape class should have area method with its proper implementation. That means all the developers who will be deriving child classes of shape class, they have to create area method and implement it. This is the restriction and rule we have imposed by using shape abstract class. Instead of verbally telling all the developers that please implement area method in all of your classes, we are informing them that create classes from shape class. That's all. Whenever developers will create child class of shape class, automatically they have to define area method. Otherwise, there will be an error and their program will not run. Hope you have understood why we need abstract class in Python. Remember, we cannot create any object of shape class because it's an abstract class. Let's go to PyCharm IDE to understand abstract class and method with a concrete example. I have imported ABC and abstract method from ABC module. We know how to import a module in our source code. We have a video related to modules in Python where we have described all these things in detail. Now I have created shape class, and shape class is derived from ABC, abstract base class. And in this shape class we have created an abstract method called area. @abstract method is nothing but a decorator. By using decorator we can inform something to Python interpreter. In this case we are informing Python interpreter that area method is an abstract method. Now think like one developer is creating a class called rectangle. As and when the developer will create rectangle class from shape class, they will be restricted to create area method within rectangle class. If we do not use this, then if you see here, it's showing an error that class rectangle must implement all abstract method. By this, it is restricting you to create a class without having area method in it. Developer will not forget to declare and implement area method within this class. Similarly, another developer can create square class, which is nothing but a child class of shape class. In this case also, he or she has to create area method and implement it correctly. I have created a rectangle object and square object. Let's run this program and validate our understanding. Here if you see, rectangle is giving 6 because 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. Here if we create an object out of shape class, which is nothing but an abstract class, it will throw me some error. If you see the error, can't instantiate abstract class shape with abstract method area. It's clearly telling you that we cannot create object of abstract class. So this is not possible. Then you can ask that why should we create shape class at all? It's a very valid question. Why should we create abstract class in our project? Remember, without abstract class also your project will execute properly. But using this abstract class, we are restricting all the developers of your project to implement area method on their classes. Thanks a lot for watching this video.